Hi, what's up, BTT coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? Especially very good news, my friend, from all coins holders because whether if we talk about the Shiba Inu, so especially my friend, Shiba Inu will get 30% profit in last 12 hours, but BTT 0.5% get a price increase now. You can see here this time, so I think it's also very good news for all of you. But we will talk about the BTT, my friends, to in upcoming term. The price will more from what's my price predictions and what's my technical analysis and what's opinion. That's all very important for all holders, especially for new holder, because my brothers, you will need to be safe from the loss and get a very huge profit. My friends, just in only if you can see here this time in last 4 hours they will again face down, but in last 12 hours they will completely increase now. So remember, this is temporary form. Absolutely every coin were very badly face down, but in last 12 hours all coins will completely go to the moon now, my friend. Otherwise this time you can see here, my friends, so the price is very badly face down, and as you can see, my friends, so just in only if we check out the last 1 hour chart, so in last 1 hour also minus 0.16 per 66% BTT price will decrease now. Definitely it's bad news, but don't worry, my friends. After a short term every coin will pumps up this time, as you can see. So this time if they will temporarily fails down, so this does not mean to they will never moving up. You can see after this fail they will pumps up, after this fail they will pumps up. So therefore I will notify you to don't starting selling. After this fail I am 100% sure to they will pumps up, so you will need to hold and wait for the end of month. I am 100% give you guarantee, my friends. So at the end of month they will give you 0.1%, but this is possible if they will get 5% profit, not 0.55%, my friends, they will get a profit. So this is possible. Otherwise, my friend, there is also chance to the price will more decrease and the prices come down to 0.001 USD dollar or 0.0001 USD dollar. So try to understand holder, but our latest target is 0.1 USD dollar, but if they just only get a 5% profit continuously in upcoming 6 days. Alright, so thank you so much, BTT coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you are new my channel, please subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.